Okay, on our run today, we're exploring the railway in West Hampstead. So this used to be a really important music venue. During the 60s, it was a significant blues club. Led Zeppelin, the Rolling Stones, Jimi Hendrix all played here. It was known as Klutz Kleet, and it was a sort of room upstairs, up above this pub where all of these gigs used to be played. The Rolling Stones used to live in this area too, which I think is a nice, interesting fact. By the time it got to the sort of mid to late 70s, it had renamed as the Midnight Club, and it continued to be a really significant venue. So the Specials played here. They recorded a live album here on the eve of Margaret Thatcher's election, and on stage they sort of argued for people not to go and vote for Thatcher. Obviously, clearly people in the country didn't listen to them, but a sort of fun fact nonetheless. Other bands who played here, Joy Division, and significantly U2 played their first ever gig outside Ireland at this venue. So again, a bit of music history. Who would have known it? Who would have thought that this sort of shishy area of Hampstead, West Hampstead, would have such an interesting rock and roll history to it? Also, right next door to it there's a really famous recording studio where some would argue rock and roll in the UK was born from. However, that's for another video. Anyway, let's get down there. Let's go and attach a postcard outside this. All right, have a great day, everyone. See ya.